Just going to do a short vid on my GoPro setup. A couple of people have asked, what do you use? So there's a GoPro Hero 5 there. There's a GoPro Hero 5 here. And there's a session down here. Session's just set up for 1080p. Hit the button and it records 48 frames or 50 frames a second on the net cam. And then hit it again and it stops. That one's set up, no image stabilization. It's 1080p and 50 frames a second again. And this one here is set up on 1080p. I think they're all on widescreen, just in case you just need that little bit extra room. You can crop it into down to 720 if you want. And this one's got image stabilization just for releasing and whatever else. That's also a Hero 5. If you're going to buy yourself some Hero cameras or some GoPros, I would get this one in the latest and greatest for image stabilization. You won't need a gimbal, no shaky images. That's what I'd have that one set for. You only need a Hero 5 there if you don't want image stabilization. You can record in 4K. It does use more card. It does, you know, your camera does get a bit hotter, but 4K you can crop. So if you've got widescreen, you can crop it all the way down to 1080p and still have high res. But you can say if a fish takes off over there, or strikes your lure over there, you can cut it down to 1080p there, or over this side, or however you want to do it. You can see this cord coming out of here. It's on constant charge, so no mucking around with changing batteries. That GoPro's well over 12 months old, and it's just been charged all the time. Like, I haven't had a drama with it. The card in it's a Samsung, I forget the name, Active or something, and it is just been sometimes from daylight to dark for however many times I've fished in over the last 12 months. It hasn't let me down yet, that card, so I bought another one for this, another one for that. I'll try and put a link of where I got the cards from. I've also got a charging point right there if I want to have it in this hole. I've also got a charging point right there if I want to set it up for trawling. And my stand is just a simple boat seat. If I'm trawling, I put the camera in that one, and it's just got a cheap ass Big W pool net holder, and I just zip tied it on, taped it up. You know, you can probably do a much better job than that, but it's adjustable. This one's a bit worn out, the adjustment's gone there, but simple as.